will begin a descent. Look closely underneath the aircraft. You're going to see those landing gear being extended to give you a slow flyby in our landing or dirty configuration. Each of the landing gear trucks on this aircraft have 6 tires to support the maximum gross weight of this airplane of 775,000 pounds. Now lowering flaps, full flaps, 30 degrees, in our landing configuration, ladies and gentlemen, here it is in all its glory. United Boeing 777 in the landing configuration. Notice the 5 cabin doors on each side of the airplane. That tells me it's an ER model 777 extended range up to 8,000 miles in pure comfort.